Optomec is a company based in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we've been in the 3D printing business now for almost 2 decades. We have 2 product lines. The first one I'm going to show you here is called Aerosol Jet. This is a product that we invented, a technology we invented about 15 years ago, and it's used for printing electronics. Now, most printing technologies that are available today were kind of a derivative out of the newspaper printing business. So they can print inks, different kinds of color inks, and they were used to print on 2-dimensional surfaces like paper. They've been adapted to print electronics by changing the inks to like nanoparticle inks that can be conductive. But they're still somewhat limited to being able to print on 2-dimensional surfaces. So Optomec invented this technology called Aerosol Jet to kind of take printing to the next level, to be able to print onto 3-dimensional objects. And this is what we have here. This is an Aerosol Jet 200. It's our benchtop printer. And as you can see here, it is printing a pattern on a translucent plastic substrate. It's an antenna pattern that it is printing on there. The way the process works is up on the top is where the ink goes in. This could be a conductive nanoparticle ink, like a silver nanoparticle ink. We atomize that ink into a mist. The mist is delivered down to the print head, where we focus it with a gas, a nitrogen gas, to control the feature diameter. And the features we can get down to here with this product are about 10 microns, so invisible to the human eye, but we can print circuitry onto 3-dimensional objects so that the circuits conform. And some companies that are using this today, of course, you know, our cell phones and other mobile devices are packing more and more power, more and more electronics into smaller and smaller, tighter and tighter spaces. So real estate becomes very important. It's a prime commodity. So what companies are doing now is replacing printed circuit boards, 2-dimensional printed circuit boards, and actually printing things on structures. So this is an antenna. This is an insert that would go into your cell phone, and this is printed. As you can see, it kind of conforms to the shape of the insert, and it even has some pads and contacts that were printed on the backside. This was all printed with Aerosol Jet. And when you think about the number of cell phones that are out there and produced every year, billions of cell phones, it means that the process has got to be able to scale to high volume production. So we have machines operating in China now 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, producing millions of these inserts that go into the cell phones that you use. We're really happy about that. We've got a great customer, Light On Mobile, who has pioneered this particular application with us. And as I said, they have been operating really since July of 2015, producing antenna after antenna on their systems, and they're capable of doing sensors and other kinds of conformal electronics on handheld mobile devices.